Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for my time, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will to presentation my title. Before I presentation, I will to give thank you very much for my mentor, Miss Basyarah Ahmad and Mr. Moh Khairul Anwar bin Moh Daud. My title is a trial study on Samarinda identity, element extraction for the development of cake packaging design. To introduction, Samarinda is the capital city of East Kalimantan province. So, with the establishment of the IKN or Ibu Kota Negara, Samarinda will become a destination with various interests. And as a destination, visitors need souvenirs typical of the area. In there, regional specialties are one of these souvenirs. So, Gapin biscuit is a one typical Samarinda cakes. From Gapin biscuit project, the existence of Gapin biscuit less practice compared to other cakes, because Gapin biscuit industry not as much as other cake industries, and Gapin cake packaging hasn't progressed since the first time. We know that the packaging is wrapped in transparent plastic, labeled with a plastic label, or screened in a plastic wrap, and how to open packaging is difficult. In the other problem, packaging can be a regional identity. From background cause of Gapin biscuit, acid packaging design, including food packaging, is booming in the last decade. Introduce packaging attributes. Because packaging can be a regional identity. So, as a traditional cake, packaging was developed to keep up with the times without losing its identity. And tradition is important as a counter to foreign culture. The market appeal is not maximized. The visual appearance is not yet characterized by local culture. So, traditional cake packaging must be modernized following current technological developments with the spirit of local culture. So, first step, we trial study packaging design. We give a study to my student to make a design packaging. From 75 student assessment, 6 students develop a Gapin biscuit packaging design, and each student makes 5 design concepts. From of the 30 design collected, 5 designs were selected to be developed as development alternative. And then the developed design is analyzed according to predetermined design criteria embodied in the final design. This is design process of my project. First step is product concept design. From product concept design, we make a product modeling design. Then we make a packaging structure design. So we make a packaging design. From packaging design, we evaluate with satisfied with equation. If result of evaluation yes, we make a actual design step. But if no, the progress back to packaging structure design. This is an example of first step project. The student making a product concept design. This is an example of concept design. We call alternative design. Alternative 1, alternative 2, alternative 3, alternative 4, alternative 5, alternative 6, and the other alternative in other project. From alternative project, we choose one alternative design to final design. And the final design we make with AutoCAD application modeling. From final design, the packaging structure is drawn in the form of CAD plan and a connection system with AutoCAD for precision. And at the design stage of the packaging structure, a graphic display is applied. But a graphic display is not included in my project. The graphic display in the other project. So we made a dummy as 2D model. This is a dummy model with Adobe Illustrator. This is dummy model with AutoCAD. This is AutoCAD. We study modeling to trial study again until we choose a final design. And this is a final design. From the picture, we can show if the final design is a cut from the front. This packaging is a secondary packaging, not primary packaging. The cut sheet is straight, made of transparent material, is plastic, so that the contents can be seen what is included in the packaging. We can show in tip of packaging. Packaging can be used as a container as well as to display content. Dimension packaging: length is 17 cm, width is 14 cm, and height is 18 cm. And the packaging can accommodate 38 cabin biscuit. The color and motif used are taken from the Samarinda Sarung with the Belang Hatta motif. A comparison of red, black, and white color. This is a final design in open condition. So we can looking the inner of box. Composition, how many pieces, and the other. From Illustrator, we can show Samarinda icon. Example is Cabin Biscuit, Samarinda Sarung, Dayak Shirt, Twin Bridge, Short Vice, Malcolm River, and Tendril. From packaging again, we can information about product on displayed via tag. Example is check type, nutritional information, barcode, or certification of product. The last, benefit and conclusion. As a traditional product, cabin cakes packaging needs to be developed according to the times without losing its original identity. So it can be used as a souvenir typical of the Samarinda area visitor who visit there. From interview with seller, they call if consumer express interest in packaging, because packaging can affect consumer choice in buying product. Consumer get product information from the packaging. So as a result of the process, students are able to design packaging with direct sticks. Students are able to implement computer application field. Example is AutoCAD, CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, or Adobe Photoshop. From project, the result of this design can be used to assist industrial player. We call UMKM, usaha menengah kecil mikro, and they are in increasing their production. Can help to product. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. And finally, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.